Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm just going to get straight into it. Today I have two new items for you guys to show you. I'm going to show you also some demonstrations, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so these are the two items right here. It's a ND filter from K&F. The one on my left is a neutral density filter with a circular polarizer in one, which is a 2 to 6 stops. The one under my right is just an ND filter, and it has 1 to 5 stops. Why would you say you need an ND filter? Well, there are situations where you want to take your shutter speed to its lowest, whether you're doing photography or video, and you want to have your aperture at its lowest, whether it's a 1.4, 1.2, and you want to keep your ISO as low as possible. But what happens? If you do that and it's bright outside, your image or your video is going to be blown out. Your ND filter definitely will come in place to help you to prevent that from happening. The two benefits of that is it dampens your highlights, it brings it all the way down, and it also protects your shadows as well, and it gives you an even tone right across the board. When you have the circular polarizer, it helps you with reflections, and if it's a sunny day with a blue sky, it will also give you a nice rich blue in the sky. So what I'll do is I'll show you some examples right now, and you can take a look and see for yourself. Alright guys, I am doing a test with the K&F ND filter. This is a 5-stop ND filter. As you can see, my background is very blurred out right now. My settings are 1/60th at f1.2 and ISO 100. If you see me rotate the dial, you can see now, if I bring it back to 1, you can see how bright that is, right? And I'm gonna bring it back to about 3 right now, right about there. And you can see, and I can definitely go more. So if I go and take it down all the way to 5 stops, you can see how dark that is. All right, so this is pretty good if you guys are doing weddings on an overcast on a day that is very bright. You can bring your stops down, and this is pretty good, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed that demonstration. I'm going to be also doing another test with a ND filter as well as a circular polarizer. So it's a 2-in-1. So wait for that test shortly. All right, guys. So here we have the 2-in-1 ND filter and CPL circular polarizer. All right. So as you can see, same principle. Background is nice and blurry. You can see me nicely detailed in the front. And right now, if I should twist, this one is a 2 to 6 stop. So if I go all the way to 2, right there, and that's 2 stops. I'm gonna bring it down all the way to 6 stops now. And that is 6 stops right there. Nice and blacked out. The settings is still the same. It is 1/60th, f1.2, and ISO 100. All right. So since this has a circular polarizer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it to there's a pond to my right now. I'm going to take you to show you some examples of what it looks like when I take the reflection down on the water. All right, here we go. All right. So as you can see, guys, as you look at the water right there, you can see that glare over the water, and once I rotate, you can see all that reflection is gone, and you can almost see the bottom of the water without the reflection. All right, so here I am at my car, and if you look at the window, you can see the glare on the glass. And once I start rotating, you can see that glare starting to disappear, like so. So with the glare, and without the glare, you can see all the way inside the car. And that's the beauty of the circular polarizer. I hope you guys enjoyed that sample. So with that said, you can see that I'm able to control my exposure very well in a bright situation where I want to keep my settings very low on my camera. And I like the fact that if I'm shooting a bride and let's say she's in a car and the glasses aren't tinted, I want to be able to see right through, I can definitely bring down the sheen where I'm able to see her on the inside. And the one thing I love about it too, guys, is that there has not been any color cast in any of the shots that I've taken. Here are some examples. And the one thing I must say, guys, that I have to add is I find that they're very durable, very durable. It also is water resistant and I think scratch resistant as well. And I really do enjoy that. And I love how smooth they are when you turn from 1 to 5 or 6. Very smooth. So if you're doing video, you don't have to worry about any form of camera shake or anything like that. And I noticed for me when I was out in the field taking pictures of brides and anything like that, it allowed me to even out my exposure with the sky and my bride's dress, which is a white dress. Oftentimes if you go too low, you tend to blow out your highlights, or the white in the dress rather. So I hope you guys do enjoy that, and if you guys are considering purchasing any of these items, I will leave them in the description below with a link, and I really do appreciate if you guys lose the link and I'll get a small kickback from that. So guys, stay tuned for more videos to come. Stay tuned, take care, peace.